Hi, this is Bradley Bush. Today we're going to talk about converting from scientific notation to decimal notation. A little bit of background before we start. Scientific notation is kind of like a shorthand for really, really big numbers or really, really small numbers. So if you don't want to write out a really, really big number that has lots of zeros, you can write it in shorthand or scientific notation. If you don't want to write a really, really small number that has lots of zeros after the decimal place, but before anything interesting, write it in a very concise way. So let's convert from scientific notation to decimal notation. So we're going from the shorthand to the longer version. So our problem then is to convert this right here from scientific to decimal. Our key is this exponent. The times 10 to the power, that just tells you that you're going to move the decimal place, left or right. And whether you move it left or right depends on the sign of the exponent, because our exponent is 5, and that's positive. We're going to move it to the right. So we move the decimal right 5 places. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if we fill in our empty spaces there, what we're really saying is 2.56 times 10 to the 5th really is just shorthand for 256,000. So the decimal notation then is 256,000. And that's our answer. Now if we have example 2, this is slightly different. We still have 2.56 times 10 to something, but now that something is negative. So negative 5 is less than 0. So it says move the decimal place to the left 5 places. So we come back to our 2.56 and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we add those zeros. We also need to add our new decimal place. So the decimal notation for this would be 0.0000256. So now we've done an example where we move the decimal place left, and we've done an example where we move the decimal place to the right. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments. Thanks for watching.